Hello, I'm Ethan from Qingdao TNT Homewares. With the approaching of 2021, except the new products for natural and fabric collection, we design many new products for our wooden collection. Design many wooden box and basket. It's set of 3. And we can paint the wooden box color as you need. And you also can choose the pattern on the box. We designed the jute rope handles for easy carrying. Or you can choose the cutout handles. We sell this set of 3 box very well in Canada. And the biggest one measures 37, 28, and 23 centimeters high. The medium measures 32, 23, and 21 centimeters high. The smaller one measures 27, 18, and 19 centimeters high. So you can put your makeup or some toys and magazines inside. It's a good storage solution. And except the storage function, we can use the wooden box for DIY style. You can buy 3 or 4 sets and play it with your kids in the weekend for DIY style. And now you can put it like a shelf and put some plants. Now it can be used for decoration. For 140 container, it can load 2,000 sets. You can buy 1 set package but offer 3 size options for your customer.